Hello! Our project is focused on worker safety. At the Italian level, a law decree has been promoted about the measurement of temperature and the self-certification to enter every day in the workplace. This is the way to come back. Now, the company is usually adapting to the norm with the procedures such as the ones described in the boards. We underline some critical issues about this journey. In this way, there are a lot of contact with people and with objects, and also the process is very fragmented and complicated. Starting from this analysis, we develop Comeback. This product allows the employee to carry out all the operations in a guided and simplified way, as you can see in the next boards. Comeback recognizes the employee, detects his temperatures, asks him to confirm data collected, and sanitizes his hands at the end. This solution takes on some benefits. The most important are about the data managed, the contact between people, and the interaction with objects. We prototype an application to manage this data. As you can see in this prototype, through this application, the competent authority can remotely view the data of all the companies that adopt this system. In this way, its work is facilitated, respect for the rules is favored, and unnecessary personal contacts are avoided. Comeback is based on an encrypted data storage system. All sensitive data is secure and cannot be used by third parties. The product's functions can be customized depending on the needs of different countries. Our target are all the Italian factories. We can start with factories located in the most affected regions, belonging to medium and large-size enterprises and belonging to the sectors with the greatest impact on the Italian GDP. Comeback could be a product applicable in different contexts. We hypothesize that the final cost could be less than €80. Thank you for your attention by our incredible team. Come on, Europe!